Kublai phi baro kini kilong ki khubor bam ta kasngi. Hadin katu kan sngi bo MLA ka BJP ban menteri ka sarkar jila ba Sanbor Shullai ula IT ka jingtho sha ulat ka jila ban kerpat bon aino ye ka jing menjuri ki bill badang sa teng jung ka KHADC ki bia day ka jing penbet ye ka kam khai pat ba jong ki bar jila UMDC ka laban mau prem ba Ricky Shullai hagasi palai ula Pynshai begini ki jing pen kala an kim dei satya ban khang ne ban ne persha ya ki nong di nong thiet bar jila Habakran shikilat pathai khubor ba Ricky ulo ong ba ka jing thmu jong ni ka jing pen kala kalong tang ban pen khan ya ka jing pen troi kam ka an ka bladan lupa ndai bun ki briu kila song thu bakla ya ka ula batai bakat kum ka an jong ka Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council ke HADC ka bala troi kam na du usnem sha jak na ispa san pusau kinu ki batroi kamai khayi le kamshnong pat ba ne kanu ka kam hapo ka Khasi Hills Autonomous District ki ha banyo ya ka trading license lane service license ulo ong banadu bala pentroi kam ye kani kaan om shem na dun satya kanu ka jingkhang persha iki bar jilla bantroi ni ban khai hapo kathan uba Ricky ula Pynshai ru baka bill ka badang am ya ka jing menjur kam dei ka an bathmai ri ka ritang ka jing pen kalai ka an ka bladan lupa long baka wei na ki banta ba kong san jong ni ka jing pen kala kalong ban plong ka ba kong san ni ki nong trei bar jilla ban yo ya ka service license da ka jing thmu ban pen bha ya ka ru kam pet ngor bat pen trei kam ya ka an ban khang ye kinu ki batrei hong shushu lo ong ba ka bil ka airu iki rang ba snong ka banta ka ba kham he ka rukam ai jingyaram ha ka jing pin shisha ba jingyat bet jong ka jing ai license ha ki snong ki thau ha ba kan ta iki jing no jong ni ka bil ba gani ka bil kan ta ya baro ki nong trei bar jilla uba Ricky lo ong ba ki kendon ki blatrwa ki kham ya dei ba ka banta jong ka kamai bam pat hap hapo ki rukam trei kam pat ba kat ba ki nong trei hagi benta bala penbet bha kum hagi bank school ki college bar ki tanat sarkar kin beteng ban trei kat kum ki an bat ki kendon ki bala don lupa bat on om ta yaki ula kerpat ru ki pat ba kim dei ban sha elam bakla da ki ji thu khana ki babakla henrei ban puli bat sngo thu ba shwai ki kendon jong ka bil ula ban biang ba ka jing thmu jong ani ka jing pen kalaan kalong ban penbet bat pen khan ya ka jing pen ya ka kam khai ba jing yo kam kat kum ki bor bala ai ya ka KHADC hapo ka sik shiru jong ka reti sunshar ka ri India but om ban ne persha ya ka nu ka jat ban ri
dorbar to ka KHADC ni teu balale ke kini kiski balale pre ladon ki ba di puskong show governor pa di ban persha nile si ban oppose ban cancel ya kanika bil ke maskur ke baburum borok kidan di kahok la jom kinong yalam lo mikman bakin persha kan no ka ai thong yan naro ndri kumum disi khamtam jogalapan constituency ngakwa ban Pynshai bari ndala katu ngalayo ki phone call ba phi persha biru ye ka bil ke kalong ki ka basu lungo ngayo ki message bari phi persha kan ka bil ka banyada ya ka rukom khai jo ki ngwe ha ka put usam ka subsidy ta na so lungo tinga so ba dagam shim ni kan kalat bangan Pynshai la si kalong mo misled ya ki paiba ka laban konsulsi bat kunjuru jong baro ka Khasi Hills hi te hini por nga shpa ban sedang ka ban ong ba phi kamau to si police council I elo juni ilasim ya kalat banonra iki amendment re chairman kam allow yani bangin participate ni khamyo ban penyo snow hakayen ki taki points ki bangi kwa ban busulang kalen ka juni bangin khan ni ka bil khan ni yo ha show governor te habapi bangi ni lakayin darbar to si ha si ka bokot kamde bangi persha ka bil kadi ni sumo biao bangi khamyo ban chin banta bani khan te ngasu ban ong yepi ba ni persha ka bil ring ko ban penjanai kali ka bil ka ban kam bat ka ba tang manta ndrei wat I elo juni ba titas ila Pynshai min kali lalu hajar arpo kaba limba ka jinggai nanti juga labor department kala ban shin bentang bahkan isu no ya ka labor license chaki harus saya marah hajar ko ngilang isu mangi kali labor license Ti dari mi lang tu kadibit ba ngiyo limited time ngiyo discuss kane ti nilai I pada community khamtam na ba ngali UMDC jo kalaban I balik persya ya kan ka bill di ya bali jo gane kaju ka konsumsi tengam ko ba kipai ba kin sim sungsu bakala ba ngar mandi bentalang ban persya kan ring askwa ban Pynshai kumbangan ong mantan burom yono no ngalam da kade bala sajid apa ba ne kino bising bahalang ne kino benta ba tidon ye pahok ba kini persno ye ke ba ki sungtru kadi ka ba bia tingi nang apa ban Pynshai tang halor ki benta ka ba de hi bat ka an jong ka subsidy ba lumba ka constitution jo ka India te beri kong habang ya yo ban ya sulok mene step isi yang leo ban kran leo ban study ka bil kalau ki ka bil ka belum bawa kongsan ban kalau ka ba student but ni so yo jingkerman ba let's say kali ka bill ugoro asan hi yaka because ka jikerpat ne ka jiso juni padi kumchu bari kali ka bill kamde ka bathmai but kipai ba kinum sutho bakala kamde ka labor act ka constitution ka schedule ba ka paratan karang sha ailat ni bangin yada ka khai pateng kata kali ka regulation jongka Khasi Hills, United Khasi Hills 1954 ti hangne ka banta jong ka rule book jong ka the United Khasi Gentia Hills Taxation on Profession Trade Callings and Employment Regulation 1960 kala thoshai liability to tax as from the appointed date and the subject to the provision of this regulation every person who carries on a trade either by himself or by an agent or a representative or who follows a profession or calling or who is in employment either wholly or in part within the autonomous district of the United Khasi Gentia shall be liable to pay for each financial year a tax in respect to such profession. Teman kene ka ain kala don pa ndei ni shpun thmaya ka kum ka juk kum ka pual Fi hangne ngan ni fi kene kadi ka form ka ba hadu hazar form ni si ai mangi kaliber service license kapag ikot kaliber license andala simti pa ka sarkar ti kani kaliber license ngai I ba kadam dom hi ka judunate kayo kani executive committee pada ya kalat ban kan amen ya ka te ha amendment kalau kiki ka basutuna ban penso shofi ba hangne ha amendment kala thoshai kumne ni kong clarify about the recent bill passed by the KHADC and was also opposed by the 19th South Shillong Advisory Committee. So I'm not pointing finger or against anyone or any one who wants to maybe oppose or cancel or maybe suggest the governor, but in fact this bill is still lying with us in KHADC. There are few more things to be corrected, which today morning I have met the CM, Winston, and together after a long deliberation of 1 hour, I understood more educated about the bill. So as per my finding, I don't think so the bill have been sent to the governor, but someone have already opposed that this bill should not be passed. So based on this, I just want to clarify. I will not point finger, but I will want the people, especially the genuine non-tribal of the Laban area and the entire state of Meghalaya and the urban area Shillong as a whole, to understand that they should not be misled. Why? I'll tell you. This bill basically is nothing related to calling it as a Labor Act. It is a bill only to safeguard the trading system through the Trade Regulation Act 1954, which says very clearly, I'll tell you, first we'll touch the 1954. Here what it says. As from the appointed date and subject to the provision of this regulation, every person who carries on a trade either by himself or by an agent or a representative, or who follows a profession or calling, or who is in employment with either wholly or in part within the Administrative Council of the United States shall be liable to pay for each financial year. So you have to be very clear. 1952, this council was formed, inaugurated. 1954, we had this regulation act, trade by non-tribal. 1959, we have the rule. So as per the rule, it says that under the jurisdiction of the 6th schedule, we can always ask for a labor service license. So to be very clear, since 1954 till today, or till the year 2020, this labor license issue authority was district council under KHADC, and I will like to highlight that this bill does not take away the right of any genuine tribal to do any kind of trade or business. This bill or the previous bill just says that you have to people out there. This bill doesn't affect you at all, because you have to comply as per the rules and regulation of cantonment board. The people within the 6th schedule area have to comply as per the rules and regulation of the 6th schedule, covered and governed by the KHADC. So to oppose this bill stating that we are taking away the right under the Article 14, 19 and Article 21, I must say you have to be very clear. It is wrong. Why? I'll tell you. What does Article 14 say? Right to equality. You as genuine non-tribal, do you think we have taken away your right of equality? Since 1954, you have been doing your business in the jurisdiction of 6th schedule area. No one till today have complained in my area or in the entire state that the district council is opposing us to do, take our right to equality. So Article 19, what does Article 19 say? Right to conduct business. So we have not stopped anyone till today to conduct business in and around the city or in the state, entire state, where the jurisdiction of this council or the EDCs are there. And also Article 21, right to livelihood. We have never taken away right to livelihood of anyone. To put it in record, I would like to request the genuine non-tribal to understand this. After 1949, when we have integrated into Indian Union, we have a special unique framework under the constitution, which they call it the 6th schedule. So under the 6th schedule, we have all these rules and regulation. Why? To protect the interests of the tribal people, not to oppose or stop any genuine non-tribal or citizen of India to do such trade or business or to work as an employee. That is very, very, very clear. So I will like to request, but this will not affect the genuine non-tribal, because already since 2016, after the JHDC have implemented this, when it was printed in the Gazette of Meghalaya, till today no one has suffered. Till today they have the right to equality, they have right to livelihood. You go to Gentiles, you see they are doing business. But it is our duty also to protect our people, our land, our trading system. That's why we have this special provision which we call it 6th schedule. And with due respect, I would like to humbly request genuine non-tribal that KHADC or any ADC is there to serve the people, not to oppose or to go against the people. Because we are governed by the 6th schedule and we are under the Constitution of India. So under the Constitution of India, You do not need to worry from any angle because there is nothing above law. We will be protected as per rules and regulation under 6th schedule. You will be protected as per the Constitution of India. We in Laban, as a cosmopolitan area, we live together with the genuine non-tribal as brothers and sisters. We are not against them, but we are there to protect, to give them that support to the genuine non-tribal so that they can create opportunity for them and for their children. This bill or the KHADC or in fact the Khasi, Garo, Jantia people are not against the non-tribal. We are all Indian, remember, and we are governed by the Constitution. So the bill is as per the Constitution of India, not taking away the right of anyone, because in the special provision we are protected under the 6th schedule, and we have to make rules and regulation as per the need to protect the tribal interests, and also to be very precise, very clear, to be very in a very simple manner. If you are from the cantonment area, that means you have to comply to the rules and regulation of cantonment board. That means you have to apply license from there. If you are from the municipal European General Ward, you have to apply from the municipal. So if you are under the 6th schedule area, that means you have to apply license and trading license from the 6th schedule area. So there is nothing against the genuine non-tribal or the citizen of India. In fact, it is our right to protect our land, to protect our people, to protect our trading system by not being biased or against the genuine non-tribal. We are all one. And I want to tell you, if the government really wants to initiate or protect the genuine interest of genuine non-tribal, I have raised this last year in the session. This Matram particular area and some adjacent area, they have to pay dual service charge if it is for the trading license or for the municipal license. Why? When I spoke to the people in that area, they said that the municipal says that this is the grey area. So I asked them, how do you function? They said that we have to pay both. They are paying 2,500 professional tax and district council plus something around 5,000 the trading license, and on top of that they are paying around 7,000 to the municipal corporation board also. So actually, why is the government interfering the jurisdiction of KHADC? In fact, if the concerned people are so concerned, they should speak to the government. They should not do this to the general tribal, especially in the Makram area, who are now paying dual tax. There, Article 14 works. There, the right of equality have been taken away. There, Article 19 works. There, Article 21 works. So I would request the government, we are not against the government, we are not against the genuine tribal. We are here as brothers and sisters of this beloved country, India, and together we have to abide as per rules and regulation. We will work together for the prosperity as which is happening for many hundred years. We don't need to worry about it at all. And this bill very clearly once again does not apply to the organized sector. This is only for the migrant worker, unorganized sector, those who come from outside the state to do business or work under some traders who already have a trading license. So they just need to comply. And it is a very simple method as per the rules and regulation in many states also. It is there, the municipal board is there. So this is the same thing. It will be around 500 to 1500 per year, the labor service license. And it is not a big task for you to apply for it. So to make it very clear, this bill have not been sent to the governor. In fact, it is still in district council. As I met the CM in the morning, so this bill will be sent to the government. Government have the authority. So now the governor will tell the DCA department to do the examine. The legal scrutiny will be done. Then in the end of the day, this bill will be on the table of the cabinet and the cabinet will take the decision. Then only it will be passed in the Gazette of Meghalaya. So if there is any points in this bill which is not as per the constitution or as per rule para 10 of the schedule, then the bill will be sent back to us to rectify, to correct, and then we do that, and then we will send it back to them. For example, I'll give you an example. Bills take time. Now I'll give you example of Lokpal bill and Lok Ayukta. It took 43 years, if I'm not mistaken, to pass. It is, with due respect, we have to give the claim should be to Anna Hazare, who have fight since 2011 till 13. Then this bill was passed after 43 years in the parliament. It got the assent of the president of our country. So this bill is also going to the government. Government will be do the scrutiny. This bill doesn't affect in any ways that it will say that we are taking away the right of the genuine tribal. In fact, the government, the legal scrutiny will be done, and the cabinet will also take the decision. So we don't need to worry. And this is a very clear message to each and every citizen of this state, and especially the people of Laban, that this bill which the KHADC have passed is to protect the interests of the tribal people, but not against the genuine non-tribal or against the business they want to do or the trade. It is only to regulate and comply. It is not a labor act. This bill is only, you have to comply as per the rules and regulation under the 6th scheduled area. So my humble request to all the genuine non-tribal citizen of Laban and the city as a whole and the state, you don't need to worry. This bill is to protect the tribal right without harming the interests of the tribal people, the non-tribal people. In fact, I would request the government to stop charging dual charge of taxes in those areas which are affected till date, as per the complaint which I have received. So that will be better to protect the interests of the genuine tribal. So